My name's Reverend Jim Craig and I'm a chaplain at King's College London covering Guy's campus. Before I became a university chaplain, I was chaplain to the arts in Gateshead in the Diocese of Durham for 11 years, and that's a passion and interest that I've brought into my ministry here at King's. I'm a great believer that regularly, once a week, once a day if you can manage it, we can encourage ourselves to do something which is just for us. We're trained as professionals, as professional carers, professional ministers, to look after others, to put others first, love your neighbour as yourself. But I've learned the hard way just how important it is to look after your own mental health and well-being. And one of the things I invite my students to do as often as possible is just to turn to creativity, turn to the arts, even if they find it difficult to put yet another thing in their diary which is going to make it look busier. We're all busy people, and to encourage staff or students here at King's to try something extra like creativity is difficult. You're inviting them to make themselves busier. But I think if it's visiting an art gallery, if it's doing some drawing, doing anything that's creative, or even something simple like going for an aimless walk, then I think that has massive benefits for our mental health. It can be really simple. It can be as simple as locating your nearest art gallery and having a wander. It's great to be creative, but sometimes it's simpler to just wander around a gallery. And here's my challenge. I think you don't need to be a modern art fan to head round an exhibition of abstract art. For me, it's the experience sometimes of not quite understanding what I'm looking at, but just trying to let go of that need to control or understand. And I think that's really important, and that connects to my pastoral care life here at King's. Sometimes we're called to listen and to take notes, not to give advice, but just to feedback what people are telling you. And for me, there's something therapeutic about visiting an art gallery, not quite understanding what the artist is intending, but just sitting there in that grey area and thinking, yes, this whatever, this alien object, painting, whatever in front of me is giving me an experience. What is that experience? How does it make me feel? Occasionally, it might make me annoyed, and I'll be thinking, I don't get it. And I think that's often what happens in our daily lives, that we get really anxious and stressed about things we can't control. But my experience is that ministry, good ministry, is about letting go of that need for control and just trying to listen as much as you can.